YouTube? Welcome to my second channel, chilling with the diecast guy. Sorry for not posting this weekend. I had to watch my school bus. Well, let's dive right on to it. Today we got up a 1933 Plymouth 4-door police car. This is by Matchbox. That's one for the bloopers. Unit 12. Brown exterior with black scripting. Black interior. And if y'all like content like this, please like and subscribe. And once again, sorry for not posting this weekend. I was all tied up. So I hope y'all have an awesome week. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Have a good day.